Asked today, what are the key themes that I can expect to emerge out of the natural resources sector in 2021? It's a fantastic question. I think in 5-10 years' time, we are going to look back at 2020, 2021 and realize this was an absolute pivotal period for this sector. Not just this sector, but I would argue the planet. We are going to see material changes in expectations and focus by not just our sector, by the planet, in what we need to do to make sure that this is a sustainable planet and a sustainable place for our children. This is a pivotal time for all of us, and I think we all need to lean into that and actually take action. In terms of commodities, we're a copper mining company. I absolutely think copper has got to be one of the most robust commodities fundamentally in the future of our planet. It is the underpinner of the electrification which is required to eliminate emissions from the planet and help create a much better place for our children and our children's children. Outside that, I would suggest it's the commodities that will help produce that greener planet. It'll be commodities like nickel, notwithstanding it's a relatively small market. It'll be things like cobalt, some of the rare earths, potentially lithium, notwithstanding it's a small market. But those commodities are going to be absolutely critical. Lastly, what does it mean to be a managing director of a natural resources company in 2021? This is a question I've actually thought about quite a bit. I would say people need leadership now more than ever. This is a period not just about companies, public companies, but it's government, it's social bodies, it's not-for-profits. People need leadership, they need guidance, and it needs action. It needs clarity of strategy to actually take us to a different place to where we've been, and it needs the fortitude, persistence to take us there. And it also needs people who can actually stand up and help people reach that end goal. People are in need of that leadership. Many people have had a very hard time. They've had a difficult time over recent years, but this is something that our planet needs. This is something our companies need, and it's certainly something that societies need to actually regain the trust in our political leadership and in our company leadership.